Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I'm Amanda. If not, welcome back, welcome back. Today we are going to be creating these cute little BoBa stickers, if you guys can see them. This one is Stitch right here. And then we have the BoBa cups. Okay, so we're going to be creating a few of these, okay? So what you will need is your sticker paper. This is the sticker paper that I have. It says on here inkjet sticker paper. You don't have to necessarily use this. You can go do your own research. Make sure you read the reviews. Make sure you read if your sticker paper is compatible with the printer that you'll be using. I will be using a 6400. It's a 6400 MV Pro inkjet printer that I purchased from Best Buy. Okay, so this is a sticker paper that I purchased off of Amazon, if you guys are curious. But what I will say about this sticker paper, what I've noticed in the past, do not slightly touch your image at all, because as soon as it comes out, it is still going to be slightly wet. I prefer to set it to the side and yeah, let it dry before you put it in your cutting machine. And with that being said, I purchased this sticker paper, you guys. It's 120 sheets. I'm going to use this up until I don't have no more of it, and then I may venture off and research into maybe some better sticker paper where it dries right away. However, this is what I have on hand, so this is what I'll be using. So sticker paper you'll be needing, your printer, your office printer that you'll be needing, and make sure that the sticker paper you have is compatible with the printer that you will be using. All right, this one says inkjet, and I have an inkjet printer. All right, and then whatever cutting machine you will be using, I'm going to be using the Cricut. I also have the Cameo 4, but I find the Cameo 4 acts up on me from time to time. So as of right now, the Cricut is that's my go-to when I do certain designs, okay? Especially when it comes to stickers. Lately, I have been using the Cricut a lot more. All right, so without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video so I can show you guys these simple steps on how I made these stickers. Okay, everyone, so here we are in Cricut, and I already have my images of the BoBa designs downloaded in Cricut, but I found these in Pinterest. So if you go on Pinterest, you can just type in I guess BoBa images, right? And you will get a lot of different images. Again, all of them may not come out clear, but I looked up and all the ones that I picked actually did come out clear when I had downloaded them. So you just want to click on whatever image you like and then hit download. Now, if you want, you can also go into remove background. I picked this one also. It had like a pinkish background around it. It was square and I didn't want that. I could have kept it, but you can do as you please. You can keep your backgrounds. You can try to remove them, and then you would just upload your image here. So let me go out. You would get something like this and remove background, and then we'll upload the image I just downloaded. And there you have it. So then you can go ahead and download now. And then when you go into Cricut, all you have to do is upload your images, okay? That's all you have to do. Let's see, we can hit new project. This is the project that I was working on putting together last night, and this is the one that I will be printing out today. So we'll just hit cancel this, and let's see, I may have to save it. Yeah, okay, so we'll save it, and I'll just put BoBa stickers and come back to it. All right, so if you want to upload, you can just go down here on the left hand side where it says upload. All right. Oh, if you want to upload your designs, you would go right here and upload, and we can hit browse, and we can do I want the one that I did off camera, this one right here, and then just hit complex, hit continue, hit apply and continue, hit print, then cut, hit upload, and then you would have it right here. Okay, so I saved my project and I'm going to bring my project back up. Okay, everyone, so once you have all your images uploaded, then you will go ahead and click on the ones you would like and add to canvas. Okay, now I have mine already uploaded here that I showed you guys a little while ago. Now I'm going to show you how I get my stickers to cut out. Okay, first you want to resize. All right, so we're gonna make them a 2 by 2. If you don't see the, you know how you click on your image and you can size it up here. If you don't see it, hit on the word more and it'll bring it up right there, okay? So you can just hit the unlock and go ahead and size them the size you want it. I want 2 by 2 because the ones I made last night were 2.5 by 2.5 and they were quite big. I mean, I'm okay with them, but anyhow, I wanted some that were a little bit smaller. So now that we have our image in here in Canvas, on the canvas, you want to upload all the ones that you want, okay? And I did that up here because I'm trying to fill out the whole paper. I don't want to waste no sticker paper, so I went ahead and just filled out as many images as I could place on there. So next, once you have all your images uploaded, right? Next step, you're going to want to do an offset. Once you hit offset, you're going to want to decide how big or how little you want your offset to be, okay? So I'm going to bring mine in. That's fine. Hit apply. And you can change the color up here where it says operation. It'll have print then cut. You want to click on that and you can change it to whatever color you would like. All right, you can't really see it because my offset isn't that big, but it did change the color. I'll make it a little bigger. I'm making my offset a little bit bigger because I want to be able to see it. That makes sense. And I'm okay with that. Okay, so now that we have all our images on here, I'm just trying to center it as best as I can. Now that we have all our images on here, you're going to want to group it, okay? So let me get this better. All right, that's fine. So now I'm gonna just square this out and we can go ahead and go over here under the word layers and you're gonna have these 3 icons right here. Click on the first one. That is gonna allow you to group. Now, if you are adding a lot like I am, you are going to wanna individually group them. Okay, once you change the color of the background, you're going to wanna individually group them before we go on to the next step, okay? So now that we have it grouped and we have all our images together, you are going to want to square out all your images just like so, okay? And then you're going to want to go down here and click on flatten. All right, we're going to click on flatten. We're going to delete this one because I already showed you the example on how I worked on all these ones. Click on flatten and it'll give you the outline cut of your offset. It does not cut these individually in the middle or anything, okay? So now that we're done, all right, so remember, you're going to upload your image, you're going to offset your image, you're going to individually group your image, okay? And then once all your images are uploaded, you are going to want to square out all your images together and click on flatten. Now we are going to hit make it. All right, and this is what it looks like. I am not using this long mat, so I'm going to go over here to the left hand side and I am going to scroll down to 8.5 by 11. Okay, and you'll get something like this. Now it's going to ask you to continue. We're going to click continue, and now you're going to send to your printer. I am using an inkjet printer. Now it's trying to find my Cricut maker, so I got to turn that on. So as of right now, we're going to go ahead and hit send to printer, okay, and let this image print out. All right. And for this part, you guys, go ahead and you can leave the add bleed on, and I'm gonna clip this off, okay? So I'm leaving this off and I'm gonna go ahead and just hit print. All right, some people though have used, some people do turn this on. I did not. All right, so let's go ahead and print. Printing out. Be careful you don't touch the registration lines. Okay, now, like I said, I could have added one more right there. Okay, so I'm going to set this to a side for a second, and I just want to make sure that they fully dry, okay? Okay, everyone, so here goes my sticker paper already on my mat. For the cut settings, we are going to use the heavy cardstock. It's going to be the 100-pound 270 GSM, okay? So heavy cardstock is what we're going to use to cut these out. And now it is prompting me to slide it in. I use tape to hold my sticker paper down, but I made sure I didn't touch the lines with it. Now it's just reading the registration mark. Okay guys, so it's cutting, and remember the reason for the offset is so it picks up just the outside of the sticker, not all the little details that's on the sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the Cricut finish cutting these stickers out, and then I will be back to show you the end result. Okay everyone, so the stickers are done. You just want to be careful in case it didn't cut completely all the way through, but it looks like we're good. Okay, so this is what I got. Be careful when lifting them up off the page. Okay, isn't that cute? And these would be cute to, like, if you sell like tumblers or mugs, you can actually throw these in there as just a free little thank you to the customer. So I think that the settings was perfect, you guys. I had no issues. I didn't have any issues last night. I will be showing you, give me 1 second to show you the size I made last night. Wanted to hurry up and get this video out the way because my daughter was trying to take the stickers from me last night. I told her she had to wait. Okay, so we got all the stickers off of our Cricut mat. So these are the 2 by 2, okay, and these are the 2.5. See how this one, the color on there came off a little bit? So just be careful that your hands are not wet or anything like that. But these were the ones I made last night, and I think they came out really nice. She can stick these on whatever she like, as well as these. But I really wanted to make some to give to people that buy or purchase our tumblers and stuff. So I'm getting off into making different kind of stickers, and I figure I'd get on here and show you guys these cute ones that I came across. Okay, so again, you guys, if this video was fun, it was real easy to do. It wasn't hard at all. But I thought they came out really cute. Okay, and again, I'm going to be making more stickers. I'm going to probably get off into like the holographic stickers, and I'm going to do a video on that to add to our tumblers when people purchase them. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.